This should be interesting. FPV mixed with the Stark Varg? I don't even know. Alright, we out here meeting up with Volt BK. I don't even know we out Queens, New York. But I'm on the Seron. We doing a Stark Varg video today. Stay tuned, I'll meet up with him in a second. Bye bye. Yo, outside with the Stark Varg. Up close is surreal, man. I think it's quiet. Like, just as quiet as the Seron. Oh yeah, here we go. Let me first bust it down real quick. You guys probably read about the specs, all that stuff. I want to show you what this thing could really do in action, especially with like some gas bikes and everything. Definitely flying down. He is mobbing. This, like, let's just say he is mobbing. I am cooking batteries, trying to keep up, and it doesn't really help that it's cold. And yeah, it doesn't really help that it's cold. It was like 50-something degrees, especially like up in the sky. It's maybe a little colder, and definitely doesn't do so hot on these batteries. But that thing is insane. Like, yeesh. Like, it can jump. I actually get to test ride it towards the end of the video, and geez, man, like, it's exactly what you would think it is. It's full size dirt bike. It's awesome. Oh yeah.
It's already recording?
Yeah, it's already on. You don't gotta worry about it.
What, it cancels out the sky or something?
What?
It cancels out the sky or something? Those black lines?
Let me see. That's just like when it's telling you it's like overexposed.
Yeah.
I can't do nothing about that because it's cloudy and
yeah.
That's cap. I could do something about it. I was just really lazy to change my shutter down a little bit. And I'm not trying to go like OD hard. This is not my bike. But like, just to be on it is crazy.
Yeah.
This is wild.
It really is like an electric 450.
Yeah. It feels exactly like it.
Like in every way, the way the seat feels, the way the wheels feel, everything.
So let me
Yeah, you just hold it.
hold the button.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's it.
Band cuts off automatically. I'm surprised this don't have a kickstand.
It came with one, but it broke.
Gotcha.
It was so like.
Probably didn't. Triangle's probably the best way for these things. Yo, given some directions, wasn't that hard actually. It was just like, just know that like I'm probably gonna be like right over your shoulder, really close to you, sticking to you like some glue. But this guy is CCS Core. If you guys have seen him on Instagram or TikTok, I don't even know if he got TikTok, whatever. He's on a YZ 450F. That thing is nasty, especially watching these guys rip around for who knows? It was like a couple hours, you know. It wasn't a couple hours. It was like an hour or two, but similar kind of riding styles. Like, there's only really one way to ride this track, and these guys obviously kill it. I clipped that branch. I don't know if you guys saw that. It's very hard to fly, especially like low to the ground, because there's trees on opposite side, and like obviously following isn't like the problem. Sometimes you want to get a good angle on the shot, and then it's hard to get an angle if you're directly behind them. And you guys can see that there's trees on both sides or tall grasses. but I still managed to get it down, and these guys killed it. Like, you see that he is clearing that gap, and that gap looks small on camera, but it is not. And he is wide open, guys. I am going at least, actually, I'm not gonna say my speed on this because I don't want to get in trouble. Alright, so I'm on the back of a moped, guys, and we thought to just do it like this, no nut to butt, but back to back. I'm holding the camera, and this is what we got. It's me, this gas. This is absolute fire. Not only do I get to witness this, I am up close with a Stark Varg. Hopefully, Stark Varg, if you guys are watching this, don't judge it too harshly. But you guys make a fantastic bike. Throw me one, please. Please. Oh, man. They actually do come a handbrake or foot brake setup. This guy is Volt BK. He's got a handbrake setup. I'm not sure which version he has, the 60 or the 80 horsepower version. Obviously in kilowatts, not in like I guess gas powered horsepower. But incredible control, incredible steez. I love watching the rip. I remember I seen this guy on Instagram, and I was like, "Oh, who's that on the barge?" And then he actually agreed to meet up with me and make a little video, and this is how it turned out, guys. I enjoyed every moment of this, especially like him letting me ride. I'm not gonna say we're not friends, but like I just met the guy, you know, so and it's really nice that I got to ride this thing for the first time. I actually get a taste of it, and hopefully like it shows you guys what these things can do, like the capabilities, whether you're in the dirt or whether in the sea. The cops don't get called if they don't hear you. They heard that YZ 250, but they didn't hear the start. But with that information, I'm gonna let y'all do what y'all do. Feel me? Shout out to Volt BK. Shout out to everyone that got these Stark Vargs. Shout out to everyone riding electric. This stuff is so tough, man. The future is really coming crazy. Yo, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Everything helps. I appreciate it so much.